Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to pay with PayPal on AliExpress. So paying on AliExpress with PayPal is simple, but it's only available in certain regions. So first of all, let's add some items that you want to order to your cart and go to checkout. At the checkout page, you need to make sure that your delivery address is correct. Here you can add new address and you can see your current one and you can edit it if something is wrong. Then let's go to payment section and select PayPal, and AliExpress tells me that I will be redirected to PayPal to complete the payment process. Okay, so in PayPal, confirm your transaction, and when you complete it, you will return to AliExpress and see your order confirmation. So you basically ordered your item, and if later anything goes wrong, you can open a dispute to get a refund for that item. So that's how it works. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.